Welcome to the VNN guide on embedding a photo into your article. Now there's several different ways that you can incorporate photos into your articles. There's photo galleries, there's featured photos, and then there's embedding photos and embedding videos. Embedding is different in that it puts it into the same section as you would see the text in the article. The featured photo shows up at the top. The photo gallery shows up wherever you would place it, most likely in the bottom with the thumbnails for the photo gallery. Embedding makes it more of a newspaper style, where you would have 1 to 2 to 3 photos that show up in the midst of all the text of the article. So what we're going to do here today is I'm going to go ahead and embed a photo underneath the story that we have here, the short story. What I can do is go ahead and click on the Upload Insert Media function, and then I'm going to search for the photo that I wanted to embed. I already know where that is because before I started writing this article, I saved it to a folder. So we're going to look from my computer, we're going to select files, and we're going to search wherever we place that photo that we want to embed. So I'm going to include this photo right here. I'm going to double click on it, and by double clicking on it, it immediately uploads it. And this here where these attributes come into play. The title is important. Once we open up the photo in a different window, it displays that title above it, but in the article the title does not display. The caption is important, again for that newspaper style. If you want to include the name of the player or players that are included in the photo or a little tagline in there, we would put a caption and the caption would display underneath the photo. Description is something where if we hovered over the photo, it would give a snippet of what described that photo. It's something that we don't see on the front end. It doesn't display in the article. It's just something that your browser would read off. It's important for screen readers, for people that are visually impaired. If they hovered over the photo, it would read them the description of this photo for them. In terms of sizes, we can put a small thumbnail, medium-sized picture, or we can do the large, which would stretch the full length of the content area. More often than not, you could put medium if you wanted to align text around it, but if you wanted it to take the entire width of the content area, you could just leave it on large. What we're going to do is we're going to select medium, and then alignment is also very important. That's how the text will move around your photo. If you want the text to go to the left of it and underneath, you would select left. If you want the text to go around it on both sides, you'd select center, or right if you'd want the text to be to the if you want the photo to be to the right of the text there. So I'm going to go ahead and select right and insert into article, and then it's going to insert that photo into the article. It's going to place it to the right of the text. And this is just a preview in our editor. So what we're going to do is go ahead and update it. And now we're going to view the article. And as you can see here, the photo is embedded into the actual article and to the right. So if we had more text here, the text would actually wrap right around this photo. And that's your VNN guide to inserting an embedded photo. Thanks for watching.